Sharma, who was last seen on ZTV's show Jamai Raja, will be soon seen opposite Namit Khanna in an upcoming web series Twisted. इस खास मौके पे निया और नमित दोनों ही काफी एक्साइटेड नजर आए और दोनों ने किए अपनी शूटिंग के काफी एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर. So let's hear more about the series from Nia and Namit themselves.
I mean, this is the shortest I've done in my life in these 6 years. I mean, 27 days, and I haven't even shot. It's the first time that I'm not even shooting with my main lead. You know, it's the हमने क्या max 3 or 4 days we've shot together. So there's not been much that we've done so far. But yeah, it's the shortest. So और short है crisp and not much load. So I would say it's easy going for me.
अभी तो मेरा डेब्यू चल रहा है, अभी इनिंग ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, बट सो फार सो गुड. आई मीन इसने बोला हमने साथ में अभी 2 या 3-4 दिन मैक्सिमम शूट किया होगा, तो अभी हमारा जो मेन बिट है वो रहता है. सो फार आई मीन इट्स बिन रियली कंफर्टेबल. इट्स थिंग्स आर पीपल वी आर वर्किंग विद, द एंटायर क्रू एंड द अदर कास्ट. देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ desire to really succeed and make this a product that people will remember, because it's a new wave, the whole web series wave, which is a great thing, and we all are, I guess, lucky to be part of it and hope to ride it as far as we can. Nia to Asia की number 3 right? हाँ, मैं तो रोज No, it's been amazing. I mean, she's pretty, she's fun, she's bubbly, she's energetic, and she's controversy free.
Thanks, sir. So it was the first time that I didn't even know my co-actor Namit, and I had to lip lock him for the first time. When we met, we started with the lip lock in the series, not in real. But it was way too tough. Yeah, I mean, for me, who's somebody who's never even kissed on screen, because you know how TV is. So it comes with its own limitations. Here I went all out, and just for the fact that it's it's exposed in terms of content. So yes, it's way more bolder. I mean, I've been working for 6 years, but this is one of its own kind, and I've never done this. It was as hard for me as it would be for any newcomer. So yeah, and here Namit is. I mean, I'm working with him for the first time, and I didn't know him. It's really cool, and he's very sincere. Is what I've observed about him.
Thank you. तो मेरे किरदार का नाम है रणवीर रायचंद, जो एक बहुत ही बड़ी इंडस्ट्री का मालिक है. एंड निया का जो कैरेक्टर है, उसके फादर की कंपनी है जो अब मैं आगे बढ़ा रहा हूँ उनके मरने के बाद. सो इट्स लाइक अ ह्यूज, क्या तेरे को नहीं पता?
नैना.
हाँ सॉरी, नैना, माय बैड नैना मेरी वाइफ की. हाँ,
मुझे नहीं पता.
माय बैड. So yeah, I mean, the character itself is a power pack person. He's like, he's a big shot, and at the same time उसको अपनी वाइफ के साथ थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि उसकी वाइफ नैना वो ड्रग एडिक्ट है, एंड उसके साथ बहुत सारी मुश्किलें चल रही हैं, एंड इसके चलते मुझे निया के साथ एक मेरा अफेयर हो जाता है. So now I'm basically torn between two: wife who is a drug addict, who's in the hospital and all that, and this beautiful girl who I meet. Okay, now what happens after that is extremely twisted. मतलब समझने में 4-5 दिन लग जाते हैं कभी. But yeah, it's something that will grip you. जब आप देखना शुरू करेंगे तो हर एपिसोड के बाद वो होता है ना, बिंज वॉच करते हैं जब हम कोई शो, जब क्या होता है यार अगली बार क्या होने वाला है. सो वो सीन है एकदम, मतलब हर एपिसोड के बाद जो एंड में जो ट्विस्ट दिखाएंगे उससे लगेगा यार आई विश आज ही आ जाए दूसरा एपिसोड. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट.
Anupam again is one focused guy. He knows his shots, everything, and the best part is that he lets me be. I mean, there is not much of giving and taking and telling me things. So that I really love the part where so I'm here. I'm really at ease. Not much has been said, and briefing, yes, like he said, it's a finite series, so it'll be over much before we know it. So मेरे लिए 2 scenes in a day, 3 scenes in a day, ऐसा मैंने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया, because the kind of things that I have done, bro. Well, just 3 scenes in a day, I mean, I don't feel anything. ऐसे कुछ करवा ही नहीं रहे यार. So yeah, it's that way. It is finite, and yeah, it'll be over soon. यार मेरे लिए यही था that I didn't even know him on the first day. We had to live off. So we were standing face to face. ऐसे क्या करना है? So it was way too tough for me, and I really was nervous that very day. But it didn't. I mean, of course, I didn't show it. but I was very nervous that day.
काम अच्छा होना चाहिए यार. एंड ऑफ द डे मैं एक्टर बनना हूँ, मुझे एक्टर बनना है, तो अब एनीथिंग टू डू विद एक्टिंग, आई मीन एनीथिंग भी नहीं बोलूँगा, बट लाइक गुड क्वालिटी वर्क, यू नो, विद क्वालिटी पीपल. मैं ना क्यों बोलूँगा, आई मीन मुझे यही करना है और यहीं से तो ग्रो करेगा आदमी. सो यस आई विल.
So behind, you know, beneath this makeup, there's a lot of tan, lot of tan. So just know that I had the best fun of my life, and I am not regretting this tan, no matter how bad and worse I'm looking right now. But I had the time of my life. It was beautiful. Namit is not an Instagram freak. Namit has to be on Insta. Please tell him to be on Insta and be active. And to all my fans, I was just on behalf of me and Namit, please watch Twisted from 30th March. And
Correct.
yeah, he
So,
promises to be active on Instagram.
I would like to say that I am on Instagram.
You are on Instagram, you don't use it.
And yeah, I mean I have few posts, but I will try and make them more often.
एक साल में एक
But
post.
yes, please give us all your love. Watch our show, and I'm not just saying it because you will enjoy it.
Yeah.
Trust me, you will enjoy it. I wish you could binge watch it, but you will have to wait
a
every
week, every time.
for the next episode, and but it will be worth it. So yes, so thank you in advance for watching it.
जिस तरह ट्विस्टेड का ट्रेलर और गाना ऑडियंस को काफी पसंद आया है, उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये वेब सीरीज भी उतनी ही पसंद आए.
Hi, this is Nia Sharma and you're watching me on India Forums, Addiction at its best.